And technology experts have also been weighing in on the latest cyber attacks. They're stressing the need for cybersecurity training. Anthony Lugg has the details.
The attacks, known as smishing and phishing, began when scammers targeted customers via text message purportedly sent by the bank. In some instances, customers are called and asked for their passcode. Rory Banks is Director of Cybersecurity at Simtire Consulting.
It only takes one person, one end user, if they click on a link that may impact their entire financial account, their financial stability, may even impact that entire company.
Something is not quite right with the customers in terms of the red flags going up to say, why is NCB randomly calling me, asking me for my PIN?
NCB has revealed that an arrest has been made following its probe into the scam and has indicated that more arrests are expected. In recent times, cyber attackers have been targeting customers of commercial banks, with some questioning the vulnerability of the systems. We put the issue to Craig Poe, CEO of digital marketing firm Attelligent.
It's about being the biggest fish, right? Like, if you are the most popular bank, they're going to have more people trying to attack you. NCB also has the widest selection of customers in terms of range of, money, class, education, all those things. So that means technically, if I'm a scammer, it's better I go figure out how to scam NCB. That's just the thing. So I'm not saying they're less secure. They probably are more secure than other banks in a sense, but it's just that they have to work a bit harder because they're at the forefront.
Mr. Ebanks, while noting that financial institutions have a duty to implement strong security measures to protect its clients' data, says customers too have a role to play.
You can't have the institution implementing or enforcing a control, but you as the end user is now bypassing that control. And then if control is bypassed, and simply put, the attackers would now target the end user, and if the end user shares a password to their banking information, who is at fault there?
It's still not clear whether the customers who were fleeced of millions in the last 10 days will be reimbursed. In the meantime, renewed calls for more focus to be placed on cybersecurity training.
Everybody has a role to play in security, and it's not fair to just blame the financial institution, but you as the end user also have a role to play in securing your information, securing your assets.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.